What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So guys, today we are hopefully finishing off this Volvo. It's been giving me headaches. So in the meantime, I've ordered a new cam and new rockers for this. So as you guys can see, here's some rockers pieces I took out, and I'm in the process of removing the cam itself. This is already loose, loosened the timing belt. So next is loosening the pump, and then just all these bolts, and then taking it all out and cleaning up all the little particles in there that's full of just rockers and little bearings. So guys, stay tuned, let's get this Volvo started. Okay guys, so this is what broken rockers looks like. That's quite hectic. Just pieces lying in there everywhere. So I'm gonna do some fishing with my little magnet. But at least all the valves are exactly on the same height. That means we didn't drop a valve or bend a valve. That's good. I hope that's the case, and not all of them are bent exactly the same way. So where's my magnet? Here's my little magnet, showing it's a magnet, and I'm just gonna start fishing. Like, this is so bad because it's at night. But fishing for little parts. Jeez. So if you're wondering, rockers has got this little spearing on top of it, and it's got like little and it's got like little roller bearings inside, and that's what really needs to be lubricated all the time. So I'm gonna do some fishing, and I'll catch you guys, I think, tomorrow, because it's late at night, it's getting dark outside, and my little light, I want to see what I'm doing here. I don't want to mess this up. So catch you guys tomorrow. Alright guys, so I jumped into this morning. So new cam is fitted, rockers are fitted, all of them. I did put back the cam holder, oil pump is back, cam belt is on, it's tensioned, engine mounting is back on. So all left to do now is the rocker cover, the intake pipe, and I think I'm first going to leave off the little trim pieces on the side and just see if it starts up. Also my fuel line, I need to hook that in there. I think I fixed the fuel leak that I had, and So yeah, I'm going to see if it will start now. So new cam, as the old cam is damaged. Rockers, all ones. I will show you a picture of what it looks like now. And then, oh, an auxiliary belt, I still need to get a new one. So for time being, old one will have to do. So let's get cracking on this. Okay, so let's see if she will start up for us. Starts, yeah, sounding awesome. So guys, that was the cambelt, new cam sensor, new diesel filter, new rockers. Sounds like a diesel. So now to just put all the covers back and we'll take it for a test drive. Yes, I feel so good. Made my day. So let's get those covers on there right now. So guys, I decided I'm just going to end this video here. So little box full of broken rockers. If anyone's want that, comment down below, I'll send it to you. And then this is the old camshaft. So it's screwed, it's really bad. If you want this as a bedpost lamp, I guess, let me know, else it's going to the junk pile. So the lobes are on the shaft and it can just rotate. Useless at the moment. So thank you guys for watching, I do appreciate it. And on this journey with this Volvo, I'm going to test drive it this coming week. It should be fine, I hope. I hope I don't get stranded next to the road. And then from next week on, we'll be focusing on that one. No, that one. We'll be focusing on that one. My finger looks weird, it looks like it's pointing away. So the WJ is an awesome vehicle, it's driving. I'll go through it in the next video, show you guys exactly what's going on there, show you exactly everything. We're going to wash it, clean it inside, outside, maybe send it to wash, wax, repeat for a nice detail. Link is up above. So guys, thank you all for watching. Make sure you like this video, share this video, and hit the subscribe button to help me grow this automotive channel. Thank you guys, cheers.